Instead of building from scratch, Managed Delivery uses Lego blocks that snap together into your specific solution. These blocks solve specific enterprise challenges. Your vendor sits down with your team and identifies AI use cases that will actually move the needle. Not the most impressive technology, but the stuff that improves efficiency or saves time. They know what works and what doesn't. And the timeline? Traditional AI implementations take 6 to 9 months minimum. And that's assuming everything goes smoothly, which it rarely does. Managed Delivery compresses this into days or weeks. Why? You're establishing a knowledge fabric, a contextual foundation that grounds every response and action in your specific company knowledge. This approach ensures that once your data is connected, the next use case and the one after that is ready to be deployed significantly faster. You are never reinventing the wheel or building from scratch for new use cases. Integration frameworks already exist for the systems your teams use every day, from communication tools like Slack and Gmail to enterprise engines like SAP, Oracle, and Salesforce. The vendor handles all of this. You're not hiring specialized engineers. You're not managing infrastructure. You're not dealing with integration nightmares. Deployments happen quickly because the hard parts are already solved. But here's where it gets really interesting. This is a less risk option designed to make sure your solutions are ROI worthy sooner. Traditional software pricing is backward. You pay upfront whether it works or not. You pay per user even if only half your team uses it. And if implementation goes sideways, too bad, you're still writing checks. Solution-based pricing flips this completely. You don't pay until the solution delivers what it promised. For example, instead of paying $299 per month per seat for only a select group of employees, you can pay between $75,000 and $400,000 for a specific solution with unlimited users. No upfront software licenses, no paying for seats before you've even implemented anything. Instead, you get a predetermined price that is strictly aligned with the value we deliver. You aren't writing checks for potential. You're paying for results that actually materialize. This might sound too good to be true, but vendors can do this because they've solved the hard parts. They've done this enough times to know that they can deliver. They're confident enough to tie their compensation to results because they're not worried about hitting them. Compare this to building in-house. You'll hire specialized AI engineers for 6 to 9 months. You'll pay for infrastructure and tools. You'll handle integration work yourself. And then you'll need permanent staff to maintain what you've built. That's assuming everything works as planned, which it often doesn't. That math isn't even close. And we haven't even talked about the opportunity cost. Your team's spending months on this instead of focusing on business priorities that actually generate revenue. If you're tired of blown budgets, endless timelines, and vendor solutions that don't quite fit your business, managed AI solutions powered by Unframe delivered within days might be exactly what you need. The first step is simple. Talk to us about your specific situation. We'll show you what's possible, how fast you can move, and what it would actually cost for your use case. No sales pitch, no generic presentation. See a custom working solution in days. This is making AI work for your business quickly. Visit unframe.ai and book a slot to discuss your needs with our AI experts.